Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start? Open Linktree and choose Sign Up Now. Use email or the Google/Facebook option to speed through verification. Enter a concise username that represents your brand because it becomes your public handle and affects discoverability. Once done, upload a profile photo and write a short bio. These help visitors understand you at a glance. Make sure you've copied 3 priority links so you can add them immediately and test that each URL opens correctly. Now add your first links. Tap Add New Link, paste the URL, and enter a clear title so visitors know what to expect. Reorder links by dragging them into priority order. Put newest or highest converting links at the top because placement impacts clicks. Customize appearance by selecting a theme, button style, and accent color. This keeps your page on brand. If you want data, enable analytics so you can measure clicks and optimize which links get promoted over time. Finish by previewing your Linktree and sharing the main URL in your bios or posts so traffic starts flowing. Connect any integrations, Instagram, TikTok, or payment links, so visitors can interact or buy without friction. Test on both mobile and desktop to confirm layout and link behavior. If a link fails, clear your browser cache, verify the URL includes HTTPS, // and toggle visibility off and on. If issues persist, reach out to Linktree support with screenshots.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.